Am I the only one that didn't know AI could be a game changer for earning extra cash? Nearly half of Americans would struggle to cover an unexpected $500 expense. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you write content quickly, while DALL-E can create stunning visuals. These tools can save you time and boost your earnings. In this video, I'm sharing 5 practical, realistic side hustles that can help you earn an extra $500, maybe even more, within a matter of days. If you're new here, join us on this journey by subscribing to the channel. Let's dive in. Before we dive into the strategies, I want to take a moment to connect with you all. Our community is a treasure trove of knowledge and experience, and your tips could inspire and help others. Have you found a creative way to earn money online? Maybe you discovered a unique side hustle or a clever trick that brought in some extra cash. Share your success stories and tips in the comments below. Your experiences can be a beacon of hope for someone else navigating the same financial challenges. Now, let's continue our journey to finding quick and effective ways to earn that extra $500. The urgency of now, when money can't wait. It's a feeling many of us know all too well. That moment when your car breaks down, your rent goes up, or you get hit with a medical bill you weren't prepared for. These unexpected expenses can throw your entire budget into chaos. Traditional jobs are great for steady income, but aren't always the fastest way to earn extra cash on short notice. Sometimes, waiting for the next paycheck just isn't an option. The methods we'll discuss today are about taking control of your finances and finding creative ways to leverage your skills, time, and resources to bring in extra money when it matters most. Whether it's freelancing, selling handmade crafts, or offering a service in your community, there are numerous ways to make ends meet. Remember, these side hustles aren't about getting rich quick, but they are about taking action and finding solutions that work for your unique situation. It's about being proactive and resourceful, ensuring that when money can't wait, you have options to turn to. 5 simple side hustles to earn $500 fast. Whether you're looking to pay off a bill, save for a special purchase, or just want some extra spending money, these side hustles can help you reach your goal quickly. Let's get down to business and explore these money-making methods. Each of these options offers flexibility, allowing you to work around your schedule and commitments. Next, we have the online reselling game. This is perfect for those who have an eye for fashion or tech. Got a closet full of clothes you never wear? Electronics gathering dust? These items can be turned into cash with a little effort. Turn your clutter into cash by selling them on platforms like Poshmark, Depop, or Facebook Marketplace. Take clear photos, write detailed descriptions, and price your items competitively to attract buyers. If you have a knack for words, freelance writing is a lucrative option. This side hustle is ideal for those who enjoy writing and have a good command of language. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients looking for everything from blog posts to website copy. You can build a portfolio, set your rates, and choose projects that interest you. Don't underestimate the power of good old-fashioned tasks. These can be a great way to earn money while helping others. TaskRabbit connects you with people in your area who need help with errands, cleaning, furniture assembly, and more. It's a great way to make money while staying active and engaged in your community. Finally, let's talk about online surveys. While they won't make you rich, they are an easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie offer rewards for sharing your opinions. You can earn points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards, making it a simple and convenient way to supplement your income. So there you have it, 5 simple side hustles to help you earn $500 fast. Whether you choose one or try them all, these opportunities can provide the financial boost you need. Happy hustling. Pause. 3S. Now that we've explored 5 simple side hustles to earn $500 fast, it's time to hear from you. Our community is filled with creative and resourceful individuals, and we want to tap into that collective wisdom. Have you found unique ways to make money online? What side hustles have worked for you? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. Your insights could inspire and help others who are looking to boost their income. Whether it's a specific platform you swear by, a niche market you've tapped into, or a strategy that has proven successful, don't hesitate to share. By contributing your tips, you're not only helping others, but also fostering a supportive and collaborative community. Pause 3S. Let's create a space where we can all learn and grow together. So, Drop your best money-making tips in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going. Now, let's check in with our global community and see where everyone is watching from. Pause 3S. Before we dive into my top pick for earning $500 fast, let's take a moment to connect with our global community. We have viewers from all around the world, and it's always fascinating to see where everyone is tuning in from. So right now, take a moment to drop a comment below and let us know the name of the country you're watching from. Whether you're in the bustling streets of New York City, the serene landscapes of New Zealand, or anywhere in between, we want to hear from you. Sharing your location not only helps us understand our audience better, but also fosters a sense of community among all of us striving to achieve our financial goals. Pause 3S. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, now that we've connected with our global family, let's move on to mastering YouTube for extra cash. Stay tuned. Pause 3S. Now, before we move on to my top pick, I want to share a fantastic resource that can help you not only make an extra $500, but potentially turn it into a full-time income. If you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, or are looking to improve your existing one, there's a book that you absolutely need to check out. Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. This book is a game changer for anyone serious about mastering YouTube. Matt Parr, a successful YouTuber himself, breaks down the exact strategies he used to build multiple channels and earn a substantial income. What's great about his approach is that it's perfect for beginners and experienced creators alike. By investing in Tube Mastery and Monetization, you'll learn how to choose a profitable niche, create engaging content, grow your channel quickly, monetize your videos effectively, and the best part, you don't even need to show your face on camera. If you're interested, you can use my affiliate link to get started. Trust me, this investment can pay off big time, helping you achieve financial freedom through YouTube. So, if you're ready to take your YouTube game to the next level, click the link and start your journey today. Now, let's dive into my top pick for earning $500 fast. Pause 3S. Chapter 3. Unlocking quick cash, my top pick. While all the methods we've discussed can help you reach that $500 goal, there's one that stands out in terms of earning potential and flexibility: online reselling. This method not only allows you to work from the comfort of your home, but also gives you the freedom to set your own hours and scale your efforts as you see fit. Remember that time I sold my old camera gear and made a couple $1,000s in a week? It was a game changer for me, and it can be for you too. The beauty of online reselling is that you can start with items you already own and no longer need. That's the power of tapping into a market of eager buyers. People are always looking for good deals, and if you can provide them, you'll find success. The key is to identify items in high demand and price them competitively. Do your research to understand what sells well and at what price point. This will help you maximize your profits and move your inventory quickly. Take high-quality photos, write compelling descriptions, and leverage social media to promote your listings. Good visuals and clear, honest descriptions can make a huge difference in attracting buyers. Start with decluttering your own belongings. You'll be surprised at how many items you have that are just collecting dust, but could be valuable to someone else. And gradually expand to sourcing inventory from thrift stores, garage sales, or even online marketplaces. The more you explore, the more opportunities you'll find to turn a profit. Happy reselling. Chapter 4. Recapping your path to $500 plus. So, let's recap the 5 simple yet effective ways to earn an extra $500 quickly. We covered food delivery apps, where you can set your own hours and be your own boss. Then, there's online reselling, turning your clutter into cash, or even starting a side hustle. Don't forget about freelance writing and video editing. Perfect if you have a way with words or a knack for visuals. TaskRabbit is great for hands-on tasks, helping people in your community while earning money. And lastly, online surveys, an easy way to earn rewards in your spare time. Chapter 5. Your turn to take action. Now that you're armed with these money-making strategies, it's time to take action. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your efforts pay off. I hope this video gave you some practical ideas to boost your income quickly. Take that first step, put in the effort, and I'm confident you'll be surprised by what you can achieve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.